Oh, look, it's Joe and the Junkyard. This guy jumped out at me. 1990 Oldsmobile, I think. Let's go check it out. It says it's a Tornado. I'm not sure. Comes with the nice tire in the trunk and, I don't know, transmission. Looks like it might have had some sort of stereo. Somebody shot it in black and blacked it out. It's kind of a cool looking car though, I think. No smellage. Door panels are gone. Glass is good. Has a sunroof. You guys want to see what's under the hood? 3,800. Whew. I'll tell you what. Here's the tip of the day. Don't touch vehicles that are black because we already looked at this one. They are really hot. So what do? We go find another black vehicle. Chevy Cobalt. If you're a Chevy Cobalt fan, I owned one of these. No? Take that back. I owned a 96 Cavalier. Decent shape. Got a lot of ass miles on it. It is of the 2008 Variete. All in all, pretty good shape. These weren't bad looking little cars. At least I think. Here's a Pontiac GTP. Don't know much about these, but I figured I'd show it because it's a good looking vehicle. So here's the motor on the Pontiac. Looks like a lot of the top end stuff's gone. Here's the motor on the Cobalt Ecotech. That's not where the air filter goes. Yoink. What else we got?
On the hunt. Dude, don't get motion sick.
Little Geo Metro. I happen to know a guy selling one of these. I'd like to buy it. It needs a water pump. But I've already got 500 projects. So don't think I'm going to take on another one. Let's see what year it is. 97. Decent shape. Ron Paul. Okay, like Ireland. It's a 86, I'm sorry. Cadillac DeVille based. You know that this was owned by somebody who cared because right up there is a tube of Colgate toothpaste. This is actually the steering column I had in my 54 Chevy truck. I say they care, and I take that back. It's Crest with anti-cavity. If the person takes care of their teeth, you know they're taking care of their rig. Almost got it in the glove box. Jeez, look at that big old motor. Man. Insane. Don't put your head under there. You guys want to see the ugly station wagon right there? The yellow one? Sitting next to another Pontiac. Let's go do a walk around on this thing. Ooh-wee. I guess you could call this like the banana boat. 86 Chevy Celebrity. All the glass. I'm sure that seat folds down for some private time. I don't know, maybe it was used as a taxi or something. Front passenger fender removed. But yeah, kind of cool looking. I had one of these bad boys when I was about 26. Mine was a 5-speed. Oh yeah, 5-speed. Maybe this was it. It's a Ford Escort station wagon. Picked it up from my buddy's dad, who owned a mechanic shop. It was a good rig for a while. Looks like that's been sitting. So, I don't really want to pop the hood. Nothing too exciting to look at there. I'm telling you, man, I'm always in the Matrix when I come down here. There's always two vehicles exactly the same, parked next to each other. 02 Nissan Xterra and an 08, so I guess they're not exactly the same. We've got a lot of yellow cars in the old junkyard today. A lot of yellow cars. Can't remember if we looked at that one last time or not, but very custom paint job. It's got the big racing stripe, little racing stripe. And then he added a bunch of dents on this side and the custom rolled fender down there. Pretty good job on the window tint. Manual. I'm thinking the guy smoked. It's a 87 Dodge Ram van. Kind of cool. Look at all that room. It's about 90 degrees out today. That little bed in the shade's looking nice. A lot of good parts on this thing. Chrome tail light covers. Man, another one that looks like it was pulled out of the desert. Let's see what else we can find. Over on the import side, if that's your thing. Toyota Celica 2000. These aren't bad looking rigs. This one, it had its time. Doesn't look like it's had a bath in 20 years. But yeah, good little rig. Even comes with a almost full set of spare tires. It's an Audi TT Quattro. Don't know much about Audis either, other than parts are expensive and they're hard to work on. I like the design though. What we got? Honda Accord. It's VTEC. VTEC. Dual overhead cam. Tinted windows, wind reflectors, airbags went off. Obviously, front end collision. It was a pretty nice rig before it got banged up, I'd say. Bummer. Looks like all the airbags work, so that's good. Hopefully they walked away from it. So the back half's not bad. Front half shot. Tail lights are good. Somebody tried to black them out, it looks like. I think that's gonna be about it. I'm getting hot. I got a black t-shirt on. It's 90 degrees. Ugh, man, sweating. Not really seeing anything else. If you see something, shout it out and I'll come back and try to do a video on it. There's one more cool little car up here. You can tell I'm breathing heavy because it's hot. I'll do a little walk around. Let me get up there. T-Top Firebird, they want $21.99. I didn't really like these when they came out, but I don't know. Kind of cool. Cool little rig. I say cool little rig a lot. So I should probably start finding some new words to use. Looks like it was already kind of pieced together once with a teal bumper. Glass is all good though. These are all builder cars. You can't take parts off of them, unfortunately. Hello.